Hi, hello guys, welcome back to AppDev3. Today I'm going to tell you introduction of my new series of tutorials like web development series. In web development, most are the most popular technologies like HTML, CSS, JavaScript. This all comes under front-end development. Initially, I'll start a new series course with a new playlist. Like for JavaScript, I will create separate playlist. HTML, CSS, I'll create a separate playlist. I am also new to web development, but I love developing a websites. For that one, I will learn something which I learn anything in every day. I used to learn about web development. From now, I am going to learn and implement that technology. At the same way, I will make video what I did today. So like this, I'm learning. I'm teaching you the web development application. For code developing a web application, we need initially you should start with HTML, and after completing in HTML, it will take 1 to 2 days to learn basics on HTML. After completing HTML, go with a CSS. Spend 1 day with a CSS, but CSS is a very vast. There's so many things you have to learn. But to developing a web application, basic things is required to start a web level. After completing 2 days, just what you have to do is go with a JavaScript. Once Google about the web application, what are technologies are best for developing a website. Start learning these three things first, and start learning JavaScript. JavaScript is the most important language in web application. By using JavaScript, you can create a website, anything using like create a React Native application. There's so many applications, so many places we use JavaScript code. For that one, you need to create a web application. We need a IDE. Now I will tell you how to download IDE and use this IDE in your computer. First of all, what you have to do is just go to Google and type Visual Studio Code IDE and click on Visual Studio Code. It will navigate to website. After navigating to website, what you have to do is just click on download. Click on download for Windows. Because downloading, the size of this application is 60.5 MB. It will take almost 1 minute to download this file. Why I am using Visual Studio Code? Visual Studio Code is the most advanced IDE for development any web applications, any application. It will help you in so many aspects. Like it will reduce so much of work. Like it can be used for so many things. You can download it in a Windows PC, Mac OS, Linux. You can download this Visual Studio Code in your system, and you can start developing an application. Like it comes with a built-in support of JavaScript, TypeScript, and Node.js, and rich ecosystem of extension for other languages like such as C, C++, C#, Java, Python, PHP, and runtime like such as .NET, Unity, Begin. You can use so many with a VS Code with the introductory videos. Like these are the basic introduction of this Visual Studio Code. Now application was download. I'll open show in folder. In this folder, here is my application. Right click on your application. After right clicking, it will show you some option. Click on run as administrator. After clicking run as administrator, it will install on your local PC. Now if this dialog box is open, just do you want to allow this application make change on PC? Yes, click on select yes. It was loading your application. It was ready to install this application into your PC. Okay, are you sure you want to continue? Yes, click on continue and select I accept. These are the terms and conditions from Microsoft, and click on next. Please select the location where you want to install this Microsoft. It was installing my local PC user. I am going with next. If you want to change a location for your application and change location to different location where you want to install this application in your PC, and just click on next button. Setup, create a program shortcut for startup menu. Like using Visual Studio Code, If you want to change, you can browse and change wherever you want. Don't create a startup menu. Yeah, if you leave it as you like, and click next button. Here select the additional task you would like to set up to perform while installing Visual Code, then click next. Create a desktop icon. I want a desktop icon. I open the code without Windows Explorer file context menu. Select few things, you can uncheck when you don't want these things. Add open with a code to Windows Explorer directly, or menu. Register code editor support file type. I am selecting all these three things and click next and click install. So it will install in your local hard disk, like I am installing on my C drive. It will take few moments to install in your system. It will load all your applications like to IDE and coding, like everything it will going to install in your Windows PC. In this application, like Visual Studio Code was used very most popular tool for used for developing web application and mobile application. You can using anything to develop this Visual Studio Code. After install your application, click on complete Visual Studio and click on finish. Now it will start in your PC. Click on start. Now it was successfully installed on Visual Studio Installer. Now your application was opened in your PC like this. This is the way you have to install Visual Studio Code in your Windows system. In next video, I will tell you how to use Visual Studio Code and how to develop a new program, how to create a project on Visual Studio Code. So I hope you like this video. I provided some information and value with this video. Make sure you subscribe to this channel and click like button and share this video. Thank you. Have a nice day. Stay tuned for more in latest technology videos.
The world just like me. I am currently in Greece and now I'm going to travel to Serbia. The next video you see from me will be a Serbian travel. I am currently in Greece and now I'm going to travel to Serbia. The next video you see from me will be a Serbian travel.